Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and we're out at Angeline, a city in the making, about to tour the Elston II floor plan by D.R. Horton. Let's go check it out. The Elston II floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a loft, 2,305 square feet, and a 2-car garage. The very front of the home, you have your half bathroom, which is here to service all your guests. We're gonna start downstairs, the main living space. So this is a wide open concept. This is your main living space. So you got your kitchen here, huge center island, quartz countertop, tons of cabinetry. You have this whole extra space here. You could do like a wine bar, coffee bar, huge walk-in pantry. You got additional storage under the stair space there. As you come out, you're gonna notice you got your refrigerator. All your stainless steel appliances will come included. This is one of their Express Series homes. You got a big space here for a dining room table, and your dining space opens onto your back patio. Now you can do whatever you want back here. You could fence your property, you could build a screened enclosure. All right, now let's come back in the house, and then all this flows into your living space, and it's a very open concept downstairs. A couch over here, a love seat, TV, so you got plenty of space to set it up however you'd like. Couple unique things, you have a coat closet. You could store board games, the vacuum. Now, one thing new here at Angeline with D.R. Horton is you're getting luxury vinyl flooring, LVP, instead of tile, and this is gonna be in all your main areas and wet areas. All right, we're gonna head upstairs and check out the loft and the bedrooms. This is a great floor plan for families. You have this loft space here. You could set this up however you want. Now they have this model set up as a movie room. I've seen it set up with desks for home workstations for the kids as well. And so upstairs we have 4 bedrooms to tour. Okay, we're gonna start with the owner suite, but you do have 2 bedrooms here and then a bedroom back here. Inside the owner suite, look how big this is. Your furniture should be able to fit. This is a big king size bed. They have a nice size nightstand up here. We're heading into the ensuite bathroom right now. You have quartz countertops, dual sinks here, plenty of storage. This actually has a linen closet here, another linen closet on this side as well. You have a walk-in shower, and of course the home office. This is one of the bigger closets I've seen, and what I love is this window bringing in all the natural light. I would raise this up and have 2 racks on both sides, but all your clothes should fit in this closet. All right, we're gonna head to the back of the home here. So back here, you do have another full-size bathroom. Quartz countertops, dual sinks on this vanity. Here, we're gonna have a tub shower combo. We do have another linen closet here to service this bathroom, towels. And again, on this Express Series home, you will get your washer and dryer included in the price. And then this is going to be the bedroom in the back of the home. This is a good size room. Again, we have bigger furniture here. Love the window bringing in all the natural light. Closet over here. And we're going to head to the front of the home and check out the last 2 bedrooms. So obviously a kid's room here. Call this the baseball room. Closets on this side on this room. And we're going to check out the 4th and final bedroom. We're going to call this the baby room. Literally just flows over into this room, the 4th bedroom. So this is obviously set up as a nursery or a baby room, and the closet's on this side of the room. All right, we're coming out of the 4th and final bedroom of the Elston II floor plan back into this loft space, which is ideal for the kids, all their toys, so your downstairs formal living area doesn't become a mess. If you're interested in the Elston II floor plan or the Angeline Community, phone home 813-600-1717. And just remember, I could help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.